Hey everybody on YouTube, it's me, Todd Phillips. I'm sorry if I didn't have nothing for you for last month for watch on my channel. I'm so sorry about that. I just didn't have nothing. Well, today's my first new video for September. Well, as of yesterday, I got sad news. Well, I'm from the state of Alabama, right? Well, the good people in Birmingham have decided to put an end to something that people like to really love to do. When October comes around, they have this thing called the sloss, fright, furnace, Halloween haunted tours over there, and people went there a lot to have a lot of fun, to get scared, spooked, whatever. And well, yesterday, as of the news I got yesterday, the good people of Birmingham have decided to put an end to it. Because they said some schools were getting distracted. Students were distracted by it, bothered by it, and other crap. Yeah, I'm calling bull crap on all of that. But yeah, I'm calling bull crap on that. How the heck is a school full of kids going to get distracted by haunted something that's supposed to be for October? They're getting, the school said kids are getting distracted and bothered and whatnot. So the good people of Birmingham decided to put an end to it. Really? You're going to get bothered by that? Really? This is ridiculous. Come on now. I'm sure a lot of people in Birmingham are upset too. Coleman, Beaumont, Fairview, Birmingham, all over Alabama who love to go there at Sloss Fright Furnace to get scared during the month of October. And they decided to pull the plug on that because some kids got distracted and other crap. It's ridiculous. I am very upset about it. Yeah, you heard me. I said upset. And I never had a chance to go. And I don't think I ever will now. It's not fair. Not fair at all. I had never had a chance to go. And now I never will. Thanks a lot, you schools in Birmingham. Thanks a lot for getting your pennies in a bunch. This is all your fault. Sloss Fright Furnace has been doing that for, I don't know, almost 20-something years, or maybe longer, who knows. And you schools over in Birmingham decided to get your pennies in a bunch because it says it's distracting and bothersome. Really? That's stupid. You're stupid. Won't let people have any fun getting scared at Sloss Fright Furnace. And for all the ones who never had a chance to go, including me, a 32-year-old man who never had a chance to go. This is not fair at all. Not fair to you or me or us. For all the ones who never had a chance to go. This is not fair. Not fair at all. This is a load of crap. This is not fair at all. It's not fair. It's a load of crap. Birmingham got a lot of money off of that. It's not fair. You know, where's Birmingham going to get some money now, huh? I mean, I'm sure they got good other places of business. I'm just saying, Sloss Fright Furnace is some money out there. And they go and shut it down because schools got their pennies in a bunch. It's stupid. I'm sure more people here in the state of Alabama are more upset. I know I am. It's ridiculous. I've never had a chance to go. It's not fair. So, I guess that's all I have to say. Rip Sloss Fright Furnace. Scary Haunted Tours for October.